Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Ghee in Village. Start by collecting fresh cow or buffalo milk and ferment it into curd, then churn the curd or buttermilk to separate butter. Press and drain the butter, then heat gently to clarify until solids brown and aroma deepens. Strain through muslin and store the golden ghee in a dry jar at room temperature. Warm the curd slightly to room temperature to make churning faster and easier on your hands. Use a traditional wooden mathani or a modern electric beater to churn until butter granules form and whey separates clearly. Rinse the butter under cold water to remove excess whey, then press to squeeze out moisture before heating for clarification. This ensures a longer shelf life and cleaner flavor in the finished ghee. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find it helpful. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make kitchen cleanup automatic so you can focus on churning and cooking. It's a handy helper for sticky floors and spilled whey. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Place the pressed butter in a heavy pan and melt slowly over low heat to gently evaporate water and separate milk solids. Skim any foam and watch for milk solids to turn a nutty light brown while the liquid becomes clear and golden. Once clarified, remove from heat and pour through muslin or a fine strainer into a dry jar to capture solids, then cool before sealing to preserve aroma and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.